Hello everyone. We welcome you all for this awareness program on online examinations for various positions in officers and non-officers categories published by Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited. Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, that is RCF, is a Schedule A Miniratna CPSU in fertilizer sector with the administrative jurisdiction of Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. The company has two operating units, one at Trombay and the other at Thal in Raigad district with national level marketing network. RCF has published advertisement for the various positions for both officers and non-officers categories. Different posts under officer categories are management trainee chemical, management trainee boiler, management trainee mechanical, management trainee electrical, management trainee instrumentation, engineer chemical, officer marketing, assistant marketing officer. In non-officer category, advertisement has been published for following posts: operator trainee, boiler operator, junior fireman. In officer category, there will be an online test followed by personal interview. Whereas in non-officer category, there will be an online test and trade test. Now let us understand the online examination pattern. All eligible candidates are required to appear for computer-based online test. The online test will be held on the designated test centers. For the position of management trainees, engineer chemical, officer marketing and assistant marketing officer, the online test will be conducted at the centers in cities of Bhopal, Delhi, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Chennai, Guwahati, Kolkata, Mumbai and Nagpur. The medium of test in officers category will be Hindi and English. For non-officers, that is for operator trainee, boiler operator, junior fireman, the online test will be conducted at the centers in the cities of Mumbai and Nagpur. The medium of test will be Marathi, Hindi and English. The online test have two parts, discipline related and aptitude related. The total duration of the test is 90 minutes. The total number of questions will be 100, out of which 50 questions would be from professional knowledge, which is a mixed course curriculum of qualifying degree of relevant discipline. Each question in this section carry 2 marks each. Aptitude section contain 50 questions from general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning and general knowledge, awareness of 1 mark each. There will be a negative marking for wrong answers. The detailed distribution of marks for aptitude and professional knowledge are: in aptitude part, there will be 15 questions from general English for which maximum marks is 15 questions from quantitative aptitude for which maximum marks is also 15, and 10 questions each from reasoning ability and general awareness for which maximum marks is 20. So total 50 questions will be there from aptitude in group 1. The time duration for completing group 1 is 45 minutes. After completion of group 1, candidate can access group 2, which is professional knowledge section, carrying 100 marks for 50 questions, 2 marks for each question. The time duration for completing group 2 is 45 minutes. Person with disability eligible for the compensatory time will get compensatory time of 15 minutes, that is, the duration of the test for these candidates will be 60 minutes for aptitude test and 60 minutes for test of professional knowledge. There will be a penalty for wrong answers marked by you. For each question for which a wrong answer has been given by you, 1/4 of the marks assigned to that question will be deducted as penalty. The questions will be displayed on the screen one at a time. Each question will have 5 alternatives, out of which only one will be the correct answer. The candidates are requested to follow the instruction of the test administrator. Candidate will not be permitted to submit their examination unless the entire test duration is exhausted. After the expiry of test duration, the candidates will not be able to attempt any question or check their answers. Candidates have to visit the RCF website for downloading call letters for online tests. Intimation for downloading call letter will also be sent through email, SMS. Once the candidate clicks the relevant link, he or she can access the window for call letter download. The candidate is required to use registration number, roll number and for password date of birth for downloading the call letter. Candidate needs to affix recent recognizable photograph on the call letter, preferably the same as provided during registration. For appearing for online written examination, candidates are requested to kindly bring a call letter, photo identity proof as stipulated in RCF advertisement and call letter. Photocopy of the same photo identity proof as brought in original. All eligible candidates are requested to be present at the test center on the reporting time mentioned in the call letter. Candidates reporting late, that is after the reporting time specified on the call letter for examination, will not be permitted to take the examination. The reporting time mentioned in the call letter is before to the start time of the test. Though the duration of examination is 90 minutes, candidates may be required to be at the venue for about 4 hours, including the time required for completion of various formalities such as verification and collection of various requisite documents, login, giving of instruction. Identity verification will be done at examination hall. The call letter along with original and a photocopy of the candidate's currently valid photo identity bearing exactly the same name as it appears on the call letter, such as PAN card, passport, permanent driving license, voter's card, bank passbook with photograph, photo identity proof issued by gazetted officer on official letterhead along with photograph, photo identity proof issued by people's representative on official letterhead along with photograph, valid recent identity card issued by a recognizable college, university, Aadhaar card, e-Aadhaar card with a photograph, employee ID, bar council identity card with photograph should be submitted to the invigilator for verification. Ration card and learner's driving license are not valid ID proof. The candidate's identity will be verified with respect to his or her details on the call letter, in the attendance list and a requisite document submitted. If the identity of the candidate is in doubt, the candidate may not be allowed to appear for the examination. The demo link for online examination for various posts are available on RCF website, that is www.rcfltd.com. All eligible candidates are requested to kindly go through the demo link so as to get familiar with the pattern of the examination. The demo link has been available post-wise for all categories of eligible candidates. Kindly note that in the demo link there are only sample questions and not an actual representation of the test. We look forward towards you joining our RCF family. All the best.